Well, it looks like it. I'm not sure what all these things here are. What's this? Epic. Okay. Was that a picture that I just took, or what was that? Oh, it looks like it's recording now. Okay. All right, if it's recording now, hey there, everybody. I'm on site at a new permission. And this is a permission. There used to be a house right over here. It was here, torn down about 10 years ago or so. And so it's a pretty good sized lot, and I've got the run of the lot. I made the mistake yesterday of going to the lot next door and started detecting over there. It was the wrong lot. It was the backyard to this house right over here. So they came out, and I was embarrassed and made my apologies when they corrected me and told me it was the wrong lot. But nevertheless, so this lot over here belongs to a friend of mine who said it's okay to come out here and to do some detecting. So that's what I'm out here right now, just kind of learning how to use this GoPro, voice commands and stuff like that. And the house was about 93 feet from that garage over to here. That was about 93 feet to the back porch or back door. So it must have been right over here. I'm just going to kind of walk it off and take a look, and I'll probably start detecting over around that garage there, and then come up, you know, and do the backyard and everything all the way up to the to where the house used to be. So stay tuned. Well, so far it's been pretty much of a bust out here. I mean, I got a couple of aluminum cans, and but I've been trying to locate again where the house was. I think the house was back here somewhere. But I just came across over here a nice signal, dug the signal, and looky here what we found. What is that? That looks like a spoon. It definitely is a spoon. Some kind of a silver plated spoon, I think. Got a little decoration on there. There we are. It does definitely look plated, silver plated, doesn't it? See if I can wipe that off a little bit better there. To read what she says. I don't know if you can read that. It's got some numbers on there. 1847 something brothers. I can't read what it says there, but that looks interesting, huh? Fourier brothers. Not sure. Anyways, maybe you guys can read it. I don't know. A spoon. How about that? Let's see if we can get some of that gunk out of there. Clean that out a little bit. It's green down there. Well, there we go. That definitely does look silver plated at least, right? All right, we'll stash that away. At least we got something nice. Let's see if there's anything else in the hole. Let's get this detector and see if we, oh, it's reading a 28, 22. There's some other stuff around there. Let's see what else we find. See if there's something else down there. Okay, we got a solid 28. Solid 28 right here. Right there. 2728. Let's see what it is. Could be another aluminum can. Who knows? That's all I found out here so far. I did find that spoon though. But let's see, it's solid 2728 right here. So let's try and dig her up. See what we find. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Okay, got something on this side over here. Right right there. Oh, looks like we got some kind of a tag. I don't know what that is. Some kind of an orange tag. Let's see here. Payless Park motorcycle. Motorcycle expires 2010. Look at that. So it's 10 years old, basically. 10 or 11 years old motorcycle license or motorcycle tag. That's cool. We'll take that, throw that in the bag. Nice little relic. It was on the top too, wasn't down deep at all. Okay, stop recording. Got something else here. Got a 30-33 signal. 30 up to 33. So let's see what we got. It might be a quarter. Let's see though. Dig it up. Make that hole. It said it was down kind of deep though, but yeah, it's down there still. All right, let's see. See what else. What could it be? Oh, I see something there. I see something. You see what I see? It's something right there. It looks silver, doesn't it? That does look silver to me. Let's see what could it be? Oh boy. It definitely has a silver gleam to it. I don't want to rub the baby. I don't want to rub her. Right? Let's see if I could just take my nail and blow a little bit off. I can't see what that is, guys. Can you take a look and see? That does look silver to me, though. It does. Let's see if we can tell by the edges. If we can carefully get some of this off. That looks silver. Is that a Washington? My eyes aren't that good. It does have a silver shine to it though. Definitely. It was ringing up to 33. What do you think? I know I'll be able to tell when I get home, but I don't want to take a chance on scratching any more off. That's a Washington. I see his face right there. Just don't know what year. Oh, it looks like there's a 7 there. Is that a 47? Oh, it's a 47, guys. Look at that, 1947. This is my first silver quarter. First silver quarter, dude.